Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I am going to be taking you to the nail salon again. So many of you guys request for my nail vlog videos, so I'm back with another one. I'm actually trying a different type of nail, not the UV gel builder nail, but I'm doing the dipping powder. So if you're interested in what the dipping powder process is like, then please keep watching. I unfortunately don't have the nails on right now. I had filmed this a while ago, but I just wanted to show you the process. If you live in the Los Angeles, Glendale area, this nail tech, her name is Vivian. I'll leave her Instagram handle right here. So Vivian is really experienced. She's actually giving a $5 discount to anyone who goes to her with my recommendation. So just let her know that Jeanette brought you from Inmyseams, and she'll give you a $5 discount, which is significant if you like getting your nails done a lot. But she does acrylic, UV gel, dipping powder. She does regular manicures and stuff. So if you're interested to see how I get my dipping powder nails done in this video, then please keep watching. I also wanted to mention these sunnies that are on my head really quickly. So MVMT had sent me these sunglasses from their new heat collection, and I just love these ones. Make me feel so rich. I absolutely love this next pair. So this is the marquee style here. You guys have seen me wear this on my Instagram. It's like Oreo color. Oh my gosh, isn't this just like everything? I'll put the third one on, and then you guys comment down below and let me know which one you guys think is the cutest. I just feel like this one looks really cute, like on your hair too, like as a headband. The last pair, and this matte black, oh my gosh, I just love it. The last pair are these like super cool, like, yes, I'm too busy to look at you. You know what I mean? Like, yes, fashion, Vogue, 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 Vogue. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, I just feel so cool when I put these on, you know? Don't talk to me, I'm too cool for you. I'm just kidding. That is terrible. You should never say that to anybody. That's like the rudest thing you'd ever say. Okay, well, let's get started with the video. I'm sorry, I've been rambling about other things. Okay, yeah, let's get started. So obviously the first thing you do when you go to a nail salon is you check in, you pick your nail color, all of that kind of like administrative stuff. And then we sit down together, we kind of talk about what I want to do for my nails. And I normally send her a picture beforehand of what I want to do. And then she'll just go ahead and buff my nails. She'll prep my nails by just like using this like drill with like a pretty soft I think it's called like a carbide bit. I don't really know. We'll pick out a nail tip, and if you're familiar with extension nails, you're familiar with this process. You just have an additional tip and you add it on to the nail. You glue it on. We're using like a kind of clear, murky, white color tip. The one that I did before, I'll link my previous nail vlog with Vivian in the description bar below and at the end of this video, but that one was a clear nail because we were doing ombre and she didn't want it to see through. We're filing it down to make sure that the nail is the shape that I want it to. I normally ask for kind of a straight and slightly tapered coffin shaped nail, a little bit wider than coffin, but today I specifically wanted to do a more boxy style, so very straight up and then just kind of square right at the ends, as you can see. So the whole process of especially this type of nail or UV builder, it's very much like spending time shaping the nail, reworking the nail, making sure that the nail itself looks good so that whatever goes on top of it, like a polish or a gel, whatever it is, looks really clean. Obviously, if you add something on top, like you glue a tip on top, there's going to be a little ridge, so we then go in and just like buff on top of that. And then she goes in with like this little mini drill like bit thing to rub my cuticles away. This process doesn't hurt. So for those of you who are thinking like, I've got sensitive nail beds, like so do I, and it didn't hurt at all. Just again, make sure your nail tech knows that you have sensitive nails, and they'll do well, hopefully. We go in with this product called ANC, and then it's kind of liquidy. It's like a acetone type of solution type of thing. And then the powder and the green capped nail polish I'm showing you is what we're gonna put as the base of the dipping powder nails. So she goes in with the gel, the green capped nail polish. We're just gonna call it a gel polish. And then we dip it into the powder. She brushes away that powder, and then we go in with the OPI, like the dipping powder color that we're going into. I don't remember the color of this one. I will leave it down below. Went through this process 3 times. So we would dip, gel, dip, gel, dip, and then gel. We finished off like the dipping powder process with this number 3 solution. And so obviously after you do that whole process, your nails aren't going to be like finished, smooth. No, it's gonna be like bumpy and kind of like lumpy like that. So you have to go in and then like shave down the nail again and make sure that it's looking like super flat or like round or however you like it. It doesn't have any clumps or ridges or anything like that. She's now going to go in and file away, like I said, file away at the nail, make sure it's looking smooth and the color starts to kind of peek through. And again, the filing process, it doesn't hurt, it just gets really tiring. Your hands will get kind of sore, your nails will feel a little bit tired, but trust me, once you see the final product, it'll be all worth it, because like the nail itself is this color. It's not like you put a gel polish on top, which is my favorite part. I do think this is a great and more inexpensive alternative to UV gel nails. Here is a better look of what the nails look like after that process, after being filed down and just like smoothed out. You can already see the nail itself looks a little bit more thin. It's not as chunky. There's pieces that are just more smooth. And then she goes in with a gel top coat, which I did cure in the light. Here we are doing the rose quartz the design that we did. So she uses this really special technique, this special brush, and goes in with like a milky color and then goes in with like a more fine tipped white color, and just does like little ridges and lines and stuff. Personally, I love like doing nail art and stuff, but I could never even do this. And I think the way it turned out was really, really, really nice. It looked like it had so much dimension in the nail. So many of you guys liked and saved my Instagram photo of me showing you guys. I also got reposted by OPI Products, which is insane. But it was so amazing. Like I loved these nails so much. We cured it in the light, and then here is the final product. She obviously put a little bit of oil around my cuticles to make them look good, but if you want to see more photos, please go ahead and check out my Instagram. I do leave a couple of nail photos there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down below. If you are a nail tech, please leave any tips and comments that you want to add down below. So many of you guys come to my channel to watch these nail vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. A little bit different with me talking through it like this, but again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, by the way, with the sunglasses, you do get $15 off with the code Inmyseams15. I know a ton of you guys have used it, so thank you so much. That means the world to me that you guys would use my code to purchase some of the sunglasses and the watches that I wear every single day. My bracelet is also MVMT, like Kylie Jenner who, Cartier who, bougie on a budget is what I go for pretty much all the time. But yeah, I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Why do I say that like 1,500 times? My sweater is from Zara. My lip color is the new L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Box O Chocolate, and it smells like chocolate. Anyway, so that's what's going on over here. The thumbs up indicates to me what kind of videos you guys like, so please leave those thumbs up for me down below, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!